Hello everyone. So let's start solving today's problem. Longest k unique character substring. So in this problem, we have to print the size of longest possible substring that has exactly k unique characters. So for example, let's consider the test case which we have here. So double B A C B E B E B E. Okay. So k is equal to 3. So we can have 3 unique characters in the substring and we have to find out the longest one, right? So we can start off from here. So as soon as we encounter A, we will have 1 unique characters, right? Then we go on and then we encounter B. So now our unique characters has been updated to 2. Okay. Then again we move on and we encounter 3. So as soon as we encounter 3, we calculate the length, right? So again we move on. We have B. So the length of this substring is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 is the length of this substring, which have 3 unique characters. So I hope you get the idea. Now let's calculate. Let's look if we have another substring which has greater length. So one of the answers we have got 6, right? So again, we start off with now with suppose we exclude this A, right? So we'll start off from here. Okay. So at C, our k value has reduced to 2 and the length is 1. Then we move on and we encounter B, right? So our k value has been decreased to 1. Then we move on to E, right? So k has been 0. Now all we have to do is to go on and check if we get any other unique character, then we exit. Okay. So we keep moving on and we see that the elements of these 3 unique characters are being repeated. So if you consider the substring CBE, BEBE, this substring has total 3 unique characters but has length 7. So we update the max length by 7. Okay. So I hope you get the idea of what we are doing here. So what we are doing first is we are maintaining a frequency map of character and int, and we are iterating from start to end, which means we have some pointer PTR, let's say, which is traversing from start to end. So what we are doing is, first of all, as soon as we are encountering any character, we are simply incrementing the frequency, right? So MP of S of PTR, which means the character frequency we are incrementing. Okay. Then we are checking if the k equals to MP dot size, which means that if the map size, which means the number of elements in the map, is equals to the k, which means the number of unique characters we can have. So what do? We simply calculate the answer, right? So answer will be maximum of answer, comma, j minus I plus 1. So what is this j minus I plus 1? Suppose, let me, if we will be using 2-pointer approach here. So one of the pointer will be staying in the start and one of the will be activating it from start to end. And as soon as we have to shift the windows, we will keep on incrementing our I such that one of the unique elements get eliminated completely. So as you saw, we were eliminating this A since I said that as soon as we encountered E, we had 4 unique characters, right? What did we do? We simply eliminated this A from the substring, right? So we will be decreasing the frequency, which means let me have a board. Let me clear this. So what we'll be doing is we'll keep on decreasing the frequency of element present at the very start. Okay. So the very start element will be eliminated from the substring. Okay. As so as to calculate the length of other window. So as you can see, we will be reaching here after eliminating it. Then the second case is, so we were discussing the second case, right? When the, let me erase this, when the k is less than mp dot size, when we have more elements in the map, which means that our number of elements, our unique number of unique elements has exceeded the value k, right? So we'll be doing all this stuff. So let's look at the code. You will get a better understanding for sure. I've already done it here. So yeah, as I said, this rounded map is for maintaining the frequency of every character. I in J pointer, as you already saw. So J will be iterating from start to end. So we'll be incrementing every character's frequency. Then we will be checking if our map size, which means the number of unique elements in the map, has exceeded. If not, let's not look at this first. Let's look at the second one. If the map size equals to k, then we calculate the answer by j minus I plus 1. So at any character, suppose A, B, C, D, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose your I is here and J is here. So what will the length of BCD? Is it 3 minus 1? Is the length is 2? No, clearly not. Your length will be when you add one additional 1 to it, right? So it will be 3. So that's why j minus 1, sorry, j minus I plus 1 will be the length of substring that will be finding out, and the answer will be previously stored any maximum length. Okay. So now let's look at when the map size increases the k. Okay. So we'll keep on incrementing the I and decrementing the frequency, which means we'll be keep on eliminating all the frequencies of A and we'll be moving the I pointer, right? So that's what I'm doing. And as soon as the frequency becomes 0, as soon as the A's frequency becomes 0, we simply erase it from the map so that map size gets reduced. Okay. So yeah, that was it for this code. Let me show you. It is working completely fine. Okay. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.